Today Current Affairs 28th November 2024. Question number 1. Which ministry recently launched the national campaign Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat to make India free of child marriage? Option A. Ministry of Science and Technology. Option B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Option D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer, option C, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Explanation: Union Minister of Women and Child Development Anpura Devi launched the Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat campaign on 27 November 2024 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. The campaign is inspired by Beti Bachao Beti Padhao 2015. The campaign aims to eradicate child marriage and empower girls through education and entrepreneurship. Despite progress in child mortality, sex ratio, and education, 1 in 5 girls marry before 18 years, perpetuating poverty and human rights violations. A pledge against child marriage will involve 25 crore citizens. A Child Marriage Free Bharat portal will be launched for awareness and reporting. Question number 2. Which state is the host of 12th edition of International Tourism Mart? Option A. Sikkim. Option B. Assam. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, option B. Assam. Explanation: Kaziranga in Assam is hosting the 12th International Tourism Mart from November 26 to 29, 2024. It is organized by the Ministry of Tourism. The event promotes Northeast India's tourism potential to domestic and international visitors. Kaziranga National Park, a United Nations educational, scientific and cultural organization, World Heritage Site known for its one-horned rhinoceros, serves as the event's backdrop. About 400 participants, including tour operators, hoteliers, entrepreneurs, influencers, media, and officials, are attending. International Tourism Mart offers a platform for networking, collaboration, and promoting tourism businesses to strengthen the industry. Question number 3. Who has won Under-8 World Cadets Chess Championship title in Montesilvano, Italy? Option A. Anish Sarkar. Option B. Bodhna Sivanandan. Option C. Deveeth Reddy. Option D. Ashwath Kaushik. Correct answer, option C. Deveeth Reddy. Explanation: 8-year-old Deveeth Reddy from Hyderabad won the Under-8 World Cadets Chess Championship in Montesilvano, Italy. He scored 911 points, tying with Satvik Swain and Jiming Guo, but secured gold due to a better tiebreak score. Deveeth, with a FIDE rating of 1784, won his first 4 matches, lost 2, but then won 5 consecutive matches to clinch the title. The FIDE World Cadet Championships 2024 were held from November 14 to 27, 2024, in Montesilvano, Italy, with categories for U8, U10, and U12. Question number 4. Which 2 states are involved in the Penyar River water dispute? Option A. Bihar and Jharkhand. Option B. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Option C. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Option D. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, option B. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Explanation: The Supreme Court has asked the Union government to submit the report from a committee negotiating the Penyar River water dispute between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The Penyar River, also called the South Pennar River, flows through Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It originates in Karnataka's Nandi Hills and flows 80 kilometers southward into Tamil Nadu, covering 320 kilometers before entering the Bay of Bengal at Kadalur. The river's basin spans 16,019 sq.km, with 77% in Tamil Nadu. Major tributaries include Chinar, Markanda, Vaniyar, and Pamban. Bangalore is the largest city in the catchment area and a major polluter. Question number 5. The Advertising Standards Council of India, ASI, was established in which year? Option A, 1985. Option B, 1990. Option C, 2001. Option D, 2005. Correct answer, option A, 1985. Explanation: The Advertising Standards Council of India released its half-yearly complaints report for 2024-25, highlighting a significant number of misleading ads, especially in real estate and offshore betting. Advertising Standards Council of India, established in 1985, is a non-profit, voluntary self-regulatory body that ensures ads follow its code for self-regulation, promoting legal, decent, honest, and truthful advertisements. Advertising Standards Council of India investigates complaints across various media including TV, print, and online. It is mandatory for new TV ads in India to comply with Advertising Standards Council of India codes starting 18 June 2024. Advertising Standards Council of India is recognized by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and is part of the International Council on Ad Self-Regulation, ICAS.